Being in business for 40 years is something to be celebrated. And here at XYZ, we are 40 years old this year in 2024. And to mark the occasion, we're putting on a very, very special event, the 40th Anniversary Technology Exhibition. This exhibition is being held at our Boleskine facility down here in Devon. And we're going to throw the doors open to manufacturers and machinists to come and view our facility. There'll be live cutting demonstrations on the machine, factory tours where you can be shown around and see the machines being built, our inspection processes, and see what our backup is really like with the inventory of spares that we carry here at XYZ. But because this is such a special occasion, we're not keeping it to ourselves. We're going to be inviting some special guests to our exhibition from the world of tooling, work holding, bar feeding, lubrication and coolant specialists, people that specialise in part inspection, representatives from the control manufacturers that we use, and we'll have some special appearances by companies that supply sliding head lathes and also wire and spark erosion equipment. There'll be people here to talk to you about mist extraction and CAD/CAM. And also to finance all of this, we'll have finance experts here as well to talk to you about financing your next machine or product purchase. The dates for your diary, 9th and 10th of July, the Tuesday and Wednesday. There'll be refreshments served all day and even a hog roast at lunchtime. So we're really making a special celebration of our 40th birthday. If you'd like to know more information about this very, very special exhibition, go to the website, give us a call on the number on the screen, or even use the QR code to pre-register your interest in attending this event. And we sincerely look forward to seeing you here at our factory down here in Devon.